The world is changing. It's more challenging than ever. With greater project complexity and ever-expanding global competition. To stay ahead, leading OEMs must innovate. As your subcontractor, Marmen can help. Teaming up with a partner that will go out of its way to deliver more than expected. What if you had access to in-depth manufacturing knowledge? What if your component supplier could also deliver solutions? What if complexity was a challenge rather than a problem? What if your supplier can handle parts or projects of any size? What if dedication was part of the delivery? What if passion was reflected in the end result? Choose Marmen and gain access to a true manufacturing partner. Thriving on groundbreaking projects. And aiming for long-term relationships. Because partners go further and can change the industrial world. Marmen, manufacturing forward.